Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome to Beth Does Beauty. It's the 1st of December, which means we're opening door number 1 on the LookFantastic advent calendar. This is a reminder that this advent calendar was gifted to me by LookFantastic because I won a little bet that we had going. But I'm gonna unbox door number 1 really quickly and then we'll see what's inside. I love the sleek look of the advent calendar this year with the black and glossy gold pink theme. So this is door number 1 down here. Oh gosh. There's the tiniest product in here for such a big door. This is the Blush Glow Duo from Natasha Denona. This is my first ever Natasha Denona product. How cute is that? That's so sweet. It's such a cute little compact. So this over here is the Glow. That's a really beautiful highlight. Look at that shine. Let's have a look at the blush. The blush is a coral. Oh, that's a really beautiful blush shade. Even I'd wear something like that. And I'm really fussy when it comes to blush. What a great first door to open. One thing I will say straight off the bat about door number 1 is, well, the product is amazing because it's a Natasha Denona and they are notoriously expensive and really good quality. But I don't know if you remember last year, if you were here for my unboxings, they came with little information cards and little quips about the product. And this year there isn't anything like that in the box, which is kind of sad. But it also makes a lot of sense to me because last year there were ones missing, there were spelling mistakes on them, they seemed quite rushed, but they also gave you a lot of insight into the products because on the back of here there's not much information, but I'm not sure what more information I could ask for in a little compact blush and glow palette. Join me again tomorrow for my unboxing of door number 2.